If you see this bird, don't panic. But before I tell you what it is, if you love this puppy, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, you make this puppy sad. The Shoebill Balaniceps rex is a large, distinctive bird native to the swamps and wetlands of central tropical Africa. Known for its imposing, shoe-shaped bill, the shoebill hunts fish, amphibians, and reptiles, often standing motionless for long periods before striking prey with its powerful beak. Shoebills. They are solitary, territorial birds and can be quite aggressive if threatened.